Well, hello, we got another video coming at you live and hot. And, well, this one's an older one. This baby right here, we got a 09 Ram, and she wasn't too happy. Nope. Yeah, transmission went out on her, unfortunately. So, what we had to do was we had to diagnose it because it wasn't throwing any codes, but it would go essentially into neutral every time it hit fourth gear. And then it would go into limp mode and, you know, put itself into first gear if I tried to move. If I turned it off, turned it back on again, it would immediately then bring back first, second, and third until I hit fourth, and then I would only have first. It was confusing. Dogs are playing. I replaced all the filters in the transmission, and I replaced the valve body. I did a fluid flush on it as well, and the problem didn't go away. So we figured it was either the band, or excuse me, the this clip on the fourth gear pack and above for the overdrive, or it simply burned the clutches out. We really couldn't tell. So got a new transmission, and this is the video where we replaced the transmission. And then my friends, it all went awry and nothing fucking worked, and the truck still doesn't work well. Ah! Let me tell you guys, it has been a pain in the ass figuring out what's wrong with this thing. Oh, there's the new pan. There's barely any torque. Really? Wow, that was on there. There she goes. It's the worst smell of a fluid, man. Like for even new fluid, ugh. Oh, look at that nice fluid. There she goes. Alan. Oh no, it's a Torx. The ATF is lubricating it. There we go. Oh, it makes it so slippery. Yeah, I mean, it's rusted. What was I gonna expect? we got now. Okay, well, it's been draining enough. Putting the pan back on. What are you catching on? There we go. Nice. Alright, coming up here, I'm going to start some of these clips here. Then pop down. Take this white thing and push it down. If I remember right. Oh! Oh, it just comes right out. It is just not budging at all. I'm gonna pop the transmission connector shift linkage thingy first, because it's kind of in the way. There we go. This, thank you. Bam. All you YouTube certified mechanics say that, no, clips come off no problem. Sure, I kind of believe you. I just had to use this pry bar to get that off. To get this off, I had to use a fucking pry bar. I hate clips. Fuck clips. Just use bolts. Alright, there's a sensor that's behind that. Bada boom, bada boom. And that little pesky thing right there. Let's see if I can't get it right now. Probably not. Okay, I did get this one out. Just kind of pressed on the top here and it came off, luckily. This one, not the same. I have no idea how to get that one off. But I'm looking at this one. Can't really see it from my position. What do? I have no idea. Do I press? Do I pry? I have no fucking clue what I do with this one. What do I do? No, can't really move anything. Anyway, update. I can't get that one off. I have no idea how to get it off. I even put vice grips on it and it was not coming off. This one, I did get off. But, again, I had to pry it off with a fucking pry bar. Fucking pry bar. It's insane. I should not have to use a pry bar to get it off. But here we are. I don't know. I'm thinking I might have to do the same with that. I wish I could set the camera up for you. Well, that would be impossible. Hey. It's your boy. Skinny penis. I have to use this. It's still not coming off. Look at this shit. It's fucking insane. Look at this. It's coming, but it refuses. Refuses to get off. Look at that. What do I do? Huh? I can't break it. What do I do? It's times like these that make me realize I could never be a mechanic. You guys? You have some kind of patience, man. Well, I got a clamp on it. Still not coming off, by the way. Kill me. Sensors. The sensors suck. All I can say is I'm glad that this is the old transmission. So there's the sensor that gave me so much problem. You can see all the prying I did on the side. I wasn't trying to break the damn thing, but God, it just would not come out. At all. I still don't know if it would. Well, this concludes day one. See you tomorrow. Well, good afternoon. It is actually a couple days later because I got busy and a little lazy, but yeah, it's been a little bit, but we are back. So one thing that I bought was some Sharpies, also some bags for like nuts and bolts and stuff, but I'm gonna mark up the axles, you know, because they're, or not the axles, the drive lines, because they're balanced and all that kind of stuff. Okay, right there. There, I'll put a mark up here too. There we go. Oh, you can't see, there we go. Put X's up here, just, you know, and a secondary, and then a line right there. It's pretty much all set to go. I think I'll put a mark here as well. I gotta clean that boot off. Right there. I wish I could have found the gray markers, but I couldn't. I don't know where they were. I looked again today, but I couldn't find any. Shows up really well on the camera, but man, in person, that does not. Right there. You know, DeWalt and Milwaukee are always like powerhouses. You usually see them pretty much everywhere, but you know who is the underdog workhorse that if you go to an older gentleman's shop, they usually have? Makita. Makita. Man. I'm going in reverse, correct? Yes. Are they reverse thread? I don't believe so, but they're old as shit. Wow. Warm. Let's do the hard one first, which I can't get to, really. How am I like this? Might need some persuasion. No ledges. Oh, there we go. Oh, there she goes. Perfect. Oh, these are stiff. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's fucking weird. It's a long shaft, honestly. Oh, whoa. Easy, buddy. Damn. goes the, oh wow, that was easy. Should it be that easy? I don't know. Work smarter, not harder. I was afraid of that. Uh-oh. Yes, I got it out. Had to sacrifice my soul. There's about 3 Hail Marys. But she's out. Props to mechanic guys for dealing with this kind of shit all the time. You guys are MVP in my book. Oh, I gotta use 2 hands. Alright, so now I can get these off. There's a bracket right here that I gotta take off because there's 3 bolts here on the transfer case that I gotta take off. I left the bolt on top of the transfer case just to hold it for right now. But I'm gonna take these off now. Oh shit. There. They're kind of pitched inwards, like towards the engine. Kind of makes it hard to get a good purchase on it. Transmission, engine's that way. Rear of the vehicle is this way. This is where that bracket is, this cross member here. And there's a bolt here and a bolt there. Time to get. There's other bolts. Oh, there's more bolts that I didn't see. Oh my God, how do you get in there? Man, you can't even see on the camera. They're right there. I gotta get those. Damn. So, can I get this socket on it? How the fuck am I gonna get those? That's so fucked. But it reaches in. Oh man. Holy shit, those are on there. Fuck. This is some bullshit. Stop twisting, you piece of shit. Get it off. I command thee. Oh man, that is tight. Whoa. Weeble Wobble Central. I don't know if it's even gonna go on though. Oh. Holy shit, that was a job. Oh, where's the bolt? Oh, it's stuck. Oh my God. Holy crap. Why not use bolts in the bottom instead of studs? Because now I can't get it out. What do I do? Go back and forth. how's that gonna help when I can't lift it out enough? Why would you put studs on it? Everything else is bolts. Why would you put studs? Huh? Why? Oh, that's right, these are super loose. I guess they don't matter. Can I even get it out? Is there enough space? Oh. Dos. I do hate not being able to see it though. Not moving though, so I don't know what that means. One main reason my RTV is fucking terrible. Old motor. Alright, well, I just had a little bit of food and well, I'm gonna use a German trick that I once learned. If it don't fit, use a bigger hammer. This one's fitting too well, so I'm gonna use a bigger hammer. Let's get to it. Any movement? No. That one's hard. Well, nothing's happening, so what I think I'm going to do, ow, my finger, is let it sit with a little bit of tension off of it. And hopefully, after a few hours or like a day, maybe the RTV will start to release. That's my plan right now. Yep.
Yeah, I can't hardly even get in there. What the hell?
Nah.
So now I need something that's gonna fit better than this 13, whatever it was, 14.
No, 14.
It fits a little better. What's that?
I gave you
14, but okay, I got it on this one. Let's see if this will work. Okay, now you have another 14 somewhere.
Okay.
Some header bolts.
They're fine. What are you talking about?
Yeah, by the time we get done, they're gonna be beat to shit.
Oh wow, that's loose. Okay.
Yeah.
This one. Oh wow, what the fuck?
Yep, exactly. That's what I'm saying.
I don't think he has any 64ths. Get that off. This is a pry bar.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Because there's no wrenches bigger than this.
But we can do this. We can jack the transmission up, take this out, cut that, and then when we take that last bolt off the header and bring it down, we'll just drop down and we'll just unscrew it down here instead of working up there.
We can do that. The only thing I would say is that we can't brace it against anything when it's headed down here. Because those are hard to get off. And right now we can brace it against all the bolts and the brackets.
Yeah, okay. Okay, well, you want to try to get it? Why would you put a fucking bolt up there like that? Why didn't they, like, put it over here? So you can get to the goddamn things. I'm driving this bitch down to the muffler shop and let that cocksucker deal with the headers. To fix it.
You want it off or?
Yeah, pull it. There we go.
Okay.
Now let's see, can we get to that? Oh yeah, look, now we can get right to it. Oh, it's got the stupid safety. Got her? Whoop. Hang on.
Yep. It's tight fit, so it's caught.
There we go. Okay. So now,
Come towards you.
just go like that. Is it gonna fit? Oh, you know what? Don't worry about taking it out because we got to get this off and then it'll drop right down.
Okay.
That's gonna be a bitch. Well, if it was easy, everybody would do it, right?
We got the, nope, ah, my eye.
Yeah, watch it.
Yep, we got the starter on. Kinda. Can't really get it out. When you need a cheater bar.
Here we go.
Oh yeah.
Did it go?
It moved. All right.
See how easy that is?
Oh yeah. Oh.
What do you got? A flat blade.
Fix that, huh?
Yeah, that really turned out. I
I was
went,
wondering how I was gonna get a shorter bit.
prying it out of there.
Oh, it's just loud as fuck.
Yeah,
All right, ready?
it's loud. Go.
It's gonna come.
Yep,
Ready?
got it.
Okay, and watch your fingers here. Get it out.
Still. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Okay, I see a problem. Okay, what's holding me?
Stop.
Oh, fucking headers. We gotta go to the.
Oh, how's it on that side? Okay, I'm just gonna turn it. Is that coming off?
Yeah, now we gotta go that way.
Okay.
We have to go that way. Whoa. Okay, it's barely on here.
Okay.
A lot of tail weight.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Huh.
Lean into the back.
Oh yeah, it's going to.
Okay, where's your sensor that you're worried about?
Well, we got a ways to go. I can reach the clip. Well, maybe I can get it out. How's this?
What?
Oh, that's a tight sumbitch.
Oh, I know, because fuck it. Oh, I want you to hold this.
Wait, I'm gonna put another strap on it. Because,
Oh, gotcha. Okay, good idea. And on the top, yeah.
Ten coming. Oh, it's not.
Whoa.
Oh, she gotta go down a lot.
Like the fucking wheels are locked up.
She's gotta go down.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, she's looking good. Yay. All the way to the ground. Okay. Now, let's just screw her back. Okay. Now we gotta get this off. But I don't know if we want to do it tonight.
Told you, I got all the bolts off.
Yeah, I know. I can't believe it. Oh, man. It's fucking impressive. Well, should we strap it up?
Yeah. So what's the plan?
I'm just gonna take a small screwdriver and jam it in there. Like a... Yep. No, don't use that, that'll break.
Oh, here.
Hang on, she's leaking. You got a bucket or something? Or?
Here's this camera is the. Oh God. The angle.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah.
What's nice about this camera is the angle, or just the battery lasts quite a long time, so I just let it sit there and record. Can't do that with a GoPro. Battery only lasts like 20 minutes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sensitives. Plus, you don't want to maul up the seal.
Okay. Well, somehow we gotta pull it off there.
It's coming. Pull on it.
There we go.
Yep. There we go.
All right, I'm glad we got this thing strapped up. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and all the weight's right there. Okay, so slide the tranny out. Hang on, let me grab it here.
Okay, you got it?
Yep.
Go. Yeah, that's not heavy at all. Oops.
Get her to right. Over here. Yeah, that's good.